One of the big problems we all face when we're shipping is how do I get it there in good condition? I've discovered that if I did this, if I used cardboard sheets and mounted them to the plates this way, I take a plate and I'll slip it inside of a plastic bag like this, and then cut tabs that allow me to bend the tabs and center the plate by carefully centering the plate in the card and by alternating the corrugations. In other words, cardboard is really strong along this direction. If you look at the end where the corrugations are, this is really, really strong. So if you mount this piece with the corrugations vertically, then it will support a huge load in that direction. It's fairly flexible and easy to crush in this direction, so I alternate the cards so that side impact is prevented from crushing the box in one direction, then the next one's this way, then this way. And if you look, you can see I have a large number of plates in here. I have 4 large plates in here. Then I'll have 4 small plates when I put this one in. And since this one's going up, this next one's going this way. Now the next thing I wanted to show you is how can you use available sheets of styrofoam like this. The trick is that you would have a lot of trouble cutting this if it weren't for the fact that you're a potter and you have a fettling knife. And if you take a fettling knife like this and you get a rough rasp like this is a diamond rasp, but it doesn't matter. Anything rough like sandpaper would do the same thing. You push it out this way. What this causes after a little while is it makes a very ragged, sharp, almost like a sawtooth edge. But the teeth are very tiny and very, very fine. And because of that, when you have a piece of styrofoam, now you can cut with a sawing action like this. Watch this. And it doesn't even take any pressure. It cuts so cleanly you can't even believe it. There's a cut right there. And if you use then a Sharpie or something to do a trace, now you can cut a trace for your cup. What I'm doing here with this piece of cardboard taped to this is this produces a way to hold the cups from moving. They can't possibly move. They don't require any other packing. But I want to put them with these plates. So the first thing I do is I find a piece of styrofoam that's big enough that it'll protect the plate. Then what I'm going to do is I've already made sure that this is the right size, so I slip this up in here. And the last thing is this is the correct thickness to finish the job and hold the plate and all of that inside the box. And now imagine if you're trying to crush this box. In order to hit the actual plates, you would have to drive a sharp object through the side of the box. So now the piece is ready to ship. And all you have to do is turn it upright, close it, run your tape across the top, and you're there. This is a very, very strong box. And I'll come across this way to keep it shut so I can tape it and label it.